Hey everyone, and welcome. Ready to transform your fitness journey? Listen up, because this isn't a cooking show for kids. We're going to make some serious progress. Let's dive in and talk about the best foods to eat when you're starting to get in shape. First up, a classic chicken breast. This isn't some rubbery, boring chicken, it's packed with protein to build strong muscles. Do you want to look like a super athlete or a soggy pancake? Eat that protein. Next up, broccoli. Don't mess this one up. It's low in calories, but full of good stuff. It's your best friend when you're trying to slim down. Steam it, roast it, just don't cook it too much, okay? We want bright green, not mushy green. Oats, a great source of carbs to power your workouts. This isn't time for sugary kids' cereals. We're talking real oats cooked just right. You'll be bouncing off the walls with energy. Chapter 4. Greek yogurt, the post-workout powerhouse. Greek yogurt, lots of protein, not much fat, perfect after a workout. No sugary stuff at the bottom. We're talking plain yogurt, maybe a little honey if you've been really good. Chapter 5. Sweet potatoes carbs you can be proud of. Sweet potatoes. They give you the energy you need without making you crash later. Roast them, mash them, just don't fry them. We want healthy here, not a greasy mess. Chapter 6. Salmon. Dive into deliciousness. Salmon. Full of healthy fats, it's great for your heart and your waistline. Cook it right and it's super tasty. Don't overcook it or it'll be dry and yucky. Chapter 7. Eggs, the breakfast of champions, and lunch and dinner. Eggs. Full of protein and you can cook them so many ways. Scrambled, poached, boiled. Just don't eat them raw. We're trying to get healthy, not sick. Chapter 8. Berries, nature's candy berries. Low in calories and full of antioxidants. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, all of them. They're like little bites of sweetness that won't ruin your diet. Go ahead and snack. Chapter 9. Quinoa, the superfood surprise quinoa. A complete protein that's also gluten-free. Don't let the name fool you, this stuff is great. Salads, side dishes, anything. Time to get creative in the kitchen. Chapter 10. Almonds, the perfect pocket snack. Almonds. A handful can keep you full and give you healthy fats. But don't eat the whole bag. A small handful is all you need. Now stop snacking and get back to work. And there you have it. The best foods to help you get fit. Remember, it's all about balance. You can't be lazy and expect magic, but a little treat sometimes is okay. Stay positive, keep working hard, and don't forget to subscribe for more great videos. See you next time.